Are you playing nicely? Are you guys playing nicely? Are you making a band? Should I get another drum? You see the camera? Are you sitting on the drums? I know. Hi, monkey. Do you guys have a band? Look, there's a drum. I can get another drum, and you guys can make a band. Look, we can make a band. Hi, my monkey. I know you like that seat. I don't think it's going to fit you anymore. It doesn't even fit Marcus anymore. I know. Marcus, are you hoarding your toys? Are you hoarding all your toys?